Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Who established the Mughal dynasty? Answer: Babur. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Answer: A.O. Hume. Who established the civil services in India? Answer: Charles Cornwallis. Who was the founder of Portuguese power in India? Answer: Albuquerque. Who defeated the French in the Battle of Vandivos? Answer: the British. In which year Indian Navy Act was passed? Answer: 1957. Who was the first President of the Republic of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first ruler of Pala dynasty? Answer: Gopala. Who was the first to establish regular trade with India? Answer: Portuguese. Who discovered the sea route to India? Answer: Vasco da Gama. The Treaty of Seringapatnam was signed between? Answer: Cornwallis and Tipu Sultan. Who introduced English in India? Answer: Lord William Bentinck. When was the Rig Veda is have been written? Answer: about 1500 BCE. From where did Babur enter in India for the first time? Answer: Punjab. The Indus Valley houses were built of which material? Answer: bricks. From where did the French made their advent? Answer: Pondicherry. Who was the last Mughal emperor? Answer: Bahadur Shah Zafar. When was the first wave of Aryan immigration into India began? Answer: 1500 BC. When was Akbar born? Answer: 15 October 1542. Who discovered Indus Valley Civilization? Answer: R.D. Banerjee. On the banks of which river Taj Mahal is situated? Answer: Yamuna. Who was the founder of Maurya dynasty? Answer: Chandragupta Maurya. Which religion was followed by Kanishka? Answer: Buddhism. Under which ruler the Mughal Empire reached its zenith of expansion? Answer: Aurangzeb. Who was the brain trust of Chandragupta Maurya? Answer: Kautilya. Which was the musical instruments used by the Aryans? Answer: drum, lute and cymbal. Who was known as Vishnu Gupta? Answer: Chanakya. Who were the first to start a joint stock company to trade with India? Answer: Dutch. Where was the capital of the kingdom of Maharaja Ranjit Singh? Answer: Lahore. Who was the king of Kalinga in the Maurya period? Answer: Kharvela. Who founded the slave dynasty? Answer: Qutbuddin Aibak. In which year Quiet India movement was started? Answer: 1942. When was Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut? Answer: in 1498. By whom Indus Valley civilization might have been destroyed? Answer: Aryans. Who said that there was no slavery in India? Answer: Megasthenes. When was first battle of Panipat fought? Answer 21 April 1526. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? Answer 22 October 1764. In which year Asoka conquered Kalinga? Answer in 261 BC. By whom the national religion called Din-e-Ilahi was promulgated? Answer Akbar.